Hi everyone, welcome back to reaction with Director Carson. Before I go tell you over the next one, I have 36 subscribers, so I need 4 more go to get to 40 subscribers. That's right. For the next Sonic Boom was Season 1, Episode 34. So anyways, enjoy the video. Sonic Boom. Just a guy. Enemy detected, Tails.
Better get the gang together. United Village Defenders of the Village, unite!
Tails in, Amy's in, Sticks in, Sonic in, except Knuckles.
You gotta have plans.
Wait, what?
Seriously, Knuckles? What do you mean you have other plans? I was gonna catch a movie with Mike.
Hi, I'm Mike.
Hi, I'm Carson. You must be Knuckles' friend.
Movie. Eggman's attacking. Aw, but today's the last day of Jungle Fighter 3! Revenge of the Jungle Fighter!
Jungle
What do you
Fighter
mean,
3.
Knuckles?
It is important to battle Eggman.
Great! See? Let's go!
So, where we go?
Oh, I meant me and Knuckles. Why can't he come?
Yeah, why can't I come?
We can't bring you to a battle. I mean, you're just a guy.
Oh!
Just a guy? No, I didn't... Well, what I meant to say was, he's not, you know... I think you said enough already. We don't have time for this.
Sorry, Mike. You cannot be in the battle. Sonic Knuckles is. They're strong enough to defeat enemies.
I can't believe you said that to Mike.
What did he say?
Battle's over here, guys. You called my friend Mike just a guy.
Oh!
How could you?
I didn't mean that. Yes, Sonic. That's a really crummy thing to say to a dude.
Well, Eggman, you make Sonic so angry to destroy all your robots so fast. But that's right, you better run.
Don't worry, Sonic. This will all blow over. By tomorrow, nobody will even remember what you said.
It's been 24 hours since Sonic the Hedgehog's infamous "just a guy" comment shook the very foundation of our fair village. I'm here now with an angry mob. Sonic barged in and called Mike.
This is game. Strikes are at the Krusty Island of villagers in the village.
But he just kept berating the poor fella.
That's Sonic, living it up on the beach. He's lost touch with the common man. Can you believe that guy? I mean, the nerve of some people. Yeah, can I get a chili dog? Oh, geez, that sure sounds complicated. Can you really trust me with that order? After all, I'm just a guy.
Well, Sonic, it seems like you are nice to that Mike, which means you said just a guy. That was not nice of your word.
But I think the town will forgive you if they see you're making an effort to change your condescending, high-handed, appallingly insensitive attitude. Lucky for you, I happen to teach a sensitivity training seminar every weekday morning, 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. And there's enough open spots in the class for all of you.
Ah.
Cool, Sonic.
But, what's the training, Amy?
I still don't get why we have to do all this stupid training just because of Sonic's big dumb mouth.
Insensitive remark. This training's not stupid. Now, how are everyone's sensitivity hats coming along? When you find yourself frustrated, instead of lashing out at someone else, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and go to your happy place. Let's practice that right now.
Looks called appeasement. In their place as a dream. But who brought this in training? Was it from Amy?
Now I realize that even though on the outside I was hitting my sidekick with a mallet, on the inside I was hitting myself with a mallet of my own insecurities.
It's okay, bro. I like to hit things too.
Oh, Amy, are you crying? No, Carson, she's not crying.
Mindful of people's feelings and stuff. And maybe I'll go talk to Mike. Tell him I'm sorry.
Aww.
Alright, bring it in.
I'm not hugging you. You know what I'm saying. I'm just recording this to make video for my YouTube and my channel of videos to make.
And if you want, you're welcome to come with us to the next battle with Eggman.
Apology accepted. Can we go now?
Well, no, we have to wait until Eggman launches an attack.
How about now?
No, you see,
So now? Let's go now.
just go to your happy place. Just go to your happy place.
What's this? A happy place or something? When are we going to the battle? Now? Whew. What's this? Your happier place? Cool.
Dude, Mike went into a happy place, Sonic's dream.
Oops, one too many. Okay, now.
Hold on a minute.
That's so funny. Can Mike fight?
My latest invention!
No.
Oh boy, that's not good.
How could you take that fella to a battle? He's not like you, Sonic. He's just a guy.
Wait, seriously? I only took him to the battle because you people...
People?
Once again,
So enthusiastic
training.
was a bit premature. As it turns out, some people still have a long way to go in their training. But I'm sure that we'll all learn to be compassionate after tomorrow's sensitivity training adventure!
Yay! Woohoo!
Is compassionate? Saving the village from Eggman, like every week. But do I get any props for that? No. Everyone just goes around gasping at me when I call a guy, or people, people. I quit heroing, and I quit this stupid group.
Whoa, jeez, calm down, Sonic.
Sonic
Wait a
the
minute.
Hedgehog retired?
Yeah, and the rest of his do-gooder friends are going on some lovey-dovey camping trip.
The town
Wait,
is
man.
taking.
Not those guys again.
No, that was when Eggman retired. This time
From
Sonic
season
retired.
1, episode 16.
Sounds like an opportunity to launch an offensive.
Yeah, and you should attack too.
No, if I do that, Sonic will come out of retirement and fight me. I'll need to bide my time. Wait for just the right moment.
Ah, do nothing at all. It's that kind of evil scheme that keeps you feared around the globe.
Fear along the globe? I don't know what that means. What do you think they up to? I don't know, but I don't like it. I say someone should alarm to Sonic and it'll stop them. I second that notion.
And tomatoes on the side, please.
Sonic, you have to do something about the Lightning Bolt Society.
Oh, whatever. I've eaten burritos more dangerous than the lightning bolts. Sorry, guys. I'm retired.
Well, look what we have here. A fence, trying to dictate where we can and cannot go.
Oh, yeah. Anarchy, baby.
Oh, now they're gonna release them and scare them off? What, sheeps? Someone's gonna put them back in.
So much for early retirement.
My baby again. Somebody save my baby again.
Now this feels like the right moment. You'll never see me coming.
Or Sonic will state the villagers.
Sonic, look out! It's Eggman!
Sonic, don't let Dr. Eggman grab you from the robot's hand.
What the heck is that? Can't see anything. What's going on?
Well done, Sonic. You're back, baby.
Sonic, you are better than us.
Well, come back, Sonic.
I knew if we left you alone long enough, you'd step up and save the day.
While I appreciate you taking partial credit for my heroics, Amy, there is someone that actually deserves my thanks. Mike. Without his help, I never would have seen Eggman coming. You're more than just a guy, Mike. You're a hero.
Huh.
And you're a good Knuckles friend.
You're the baddest in town, but then Eggman showed up with his clogging dad.
Look, I appreciate what you're trying to do, but you're just not good at it.
Yeah, not good
I
at it.
suppose you people could do better.
Let's see those sensitivity hats, boys.
Sonic Boom, Season 1, Episode 34, Just a Guy, the end. So everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe so I'll make some more videos. And just remember, do not say anyone is just a guy. Just say, be a cool. That's a good word. So, goodbye.